Okay, while you guys are still on the Constitution and while I'm still over here in Rockingham, the Ninth Amendment is going to be the topic of this actively learned text. And for your bell ringer, first of all, like yesterday, I want you to go to your Google Drive and then open up a document. So you go to New and then Google Docs. And then you can title your work today, Ninth Amendment. Okay. All right. And for today, I want you to do the vocabulary awareness chart as your bell ringer like you did the other day. And if you remember, that is this right here. It's word, know it, seen it, no idea definitions. And if you'll make that chart on your Google Docs, I believe that's a 5x2. All right. So set it up. Word, know it, seen it, no idea, and also over here, facts or definition. Okay, so here's the setup, and I want you to number 1 through 5. Okay, so let's take a look at the language of the Ninth Amendment. This is the Ninth Amendment right here. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people. So if you don't know what enumeration means, let's put that in your chart. And then ask yourself if you know it, seen it, or no idea. If you have no idea what it means, you could just put an X here, or however, just leave me some kind of symbolism to let me know what you rank yourself as far as the knowledge of that word. And then, so that's just me getting it started for you. You may not know what construed means. You may know what Constitution means, but you can put that in your chart as well. So if you come over here and put Constitution, and then you may want to put that you know it. Hopefully, if you're on it before I get there, you should know it, but I'm going to help you go into further detail before I arrive. All right. Your essential question for today, once you're done with your bell ringer, how does the Ninth Amendment protect individuals against an oppressive government? And if you watch this video here, it's going to be a little video. If you click right here, it's going to be a video of me explaining the Ninth Amendment in great detail. All right. And scroll down. So you're going to be responsible for reading the text here. And this text is going to lead you to the strategy you did last time, the book, head, heart. And what you can do here. Same Google Doc. I want you to insert a table for the book, head, heart, and that's going to be a 2x3. And I explained that yesterday. Only thing you have to do is just put book, head, and then heart. And if you want to, you can slide this over a little bit, because that's all you got to do on the left side. And then answer the questions that can be found right here. So what's this about? Who's telling the story, etc. So answer these questions in the correct column over here. And don't forget your summary. Your summary, I want you to answer the essential question. Answer the EQ in about 2 to 3 sentences. When you're done with that, you're going to go to share. And my personal email is latestartmonday@gmail.com. And if you'll just send it to me, I'll have it, and that's how I get your work. So until Anson County Schools gives me an email and I'm in the system, you can just email me your work this way, please. All right, I'm done. The other thing I had planned for you for today was going to be to do what's called a trading card on the Ninth Amendment. And for this, you click on the link that says trading card, Put in your name. My name is Danny. Don't call me Danny. Call me Mr. Norwood. The topic, Ninth Amendment. And you're going to click Abstract Concept as your category here. And I want you to insert an image. And I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. Just go to Google and type in Ninth Amendment. Click Images. And then just find an image you like. Right click on it. And then you save image as. Save image as. Now see, I'm doing this from a MacBook, so my experience with this is going to be a little bit different. I'm saving this to my desktop. You can save it to your desktop on your Chromebook too, but remember to right click it. If you right click it, that's going to be how you get it saved. Then it says click here to insert an image, and then choose image. And if you have it downloaded on your desktop, then all you got to do, hold on a second. If you got it downloaded on your desktop, then you're going to press open and OK. All right. Then there's a series of questions you got to answer. There's the first two questions. What is the Ninth Amendment? Describe the feelings most associated with the Ninth Amendment. Then press the arrow over. Talk about the causes and the outcomes. So answer these two questions. Importance. Why is it important? Is it typically positive or negative? And who considers the Ninth Amendment to be important? Interesting facts. Personal connection. Once you have that done, you're going to go down here where it says Finish Editing. Then you're going to go to Finish. And then you're going to go to Share Final. Title it Ninth Amendment. And send it to my personal email, latestartmonday@gmail.com. And then put in your email here. And then press Send. And I got it. All right. That's day 2 of the Flipped Classroom.